welcome back to my channel. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share any of my videos. If you guys have any requests, please comment in the comments section below, or you can even email me. My email is in the description below. Also, I am taking emails as well. If you guys are having any issues with any of your tech, then feel free to email me and I will try my best to help you guys out. So I'm going to start by saying that I've recently created a website. You can see it right here on my screen right now. There's a bunch of different tabs that I have. The website's, of course, called howtotechtips.com. And basically, the main function, but I think for this website, is the forms section. So you click on forms. Here, you will find all of your, troubleshooting. If you want to sell, your Microsoft equipment, Apple equipment. There's just tutorials and laptops. Sometimes one person may have an error. I might not have the message, but somebody else might. Before open discussion for everybody that needs help with their technology. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your password on Windows 11. So I'm going to show you guys the quickest and easiest way to do that. So we're going to get started. So from here, we're going to hit the search button at the bottom here. And then basically we're going to write password. And then here it should prompt us with change your password. And then from here, we only have a password. So it says you're all set up. I can change this. Or if you have a PIN and you want to change it, it's going to tell me to set up. Or fingerprint recognition, facial recognition, security key, picture password. Oh, which is kind of cool. That's a new one. Didn't even know that existed. That my favorite picture that I'll be able to open my computer through my favorite picture. That's kind of neat if you don't want to write a password or anything. But here, I'll just hit change password. So I'll type in my current password and then the password that I want to change it to. And then confirm it. I think I wrote too much. There we go. And then hint, I think you have to, let's try without. I know, yeah. I knew in Windows 10 that you have to put a password hint. What was right? Hint. For that, hit next, and then finish, and then changing password. And that's basically it. And you're done. You can obviously log out and then try to log back in just to make sure that the password has been changed over. But that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.